my name is Tega. Welcome to my little corner of the internet. I'm starting my crochet journey from scratch and I decided to document everything. On this channel, I'll be sharing my progress, my mistakes, and hopefully my growth. So if you enjoy calm, cozy, creative content, or you would like to watch my crochet journey, I'd love for you to stay. You can subscribe, like this video, or leave a comment. So I have been wanting to learn how to crochet for a while now, and today my first supplies finally arrived and I'm very excited. So in this video I will be unpacking my first crochet supplies. This is it's a t-shirt yarn. I've actually never worked with this texture before, and I don't even know how long it will take for me to get really good, but I'm just excited to learn. I am intending to use these t-shirt yarns to make a bag, so I'm hoping that it actually comes out looking really good. I'm just a little bit nervous, but mostly excited. This one is a different type of yarn. I can't even remember what it's called, but I know I saw it online and I saw some nice handbags that it was used to make. So I'm just excited to use that to make a different type of handbag. There's something beautiful about starting something new, you know, even if you don't know exactly what you're doing, like me. Yeah, I actually have watched a few tutorials and now I'm finally going to try crocheting for the first time. So I'm going to be making some videos of me crocheting different types of bags and items, even toys, clothes in the future, and I'm going to be posting it on this channel, and then I would show you guys how I would evolve from being a beginner, from my learning phase to hopefully my pro stage in the nearest future. So I'm taking it a step at a time. What I had shown is, these are actually some of the accessories for some of the bags that I intend to make. So like the hand chains, the hooks, these are crochet needles for the yarns. Very, very excited. This is day one and I'm glad that I decided to start. You know, let's see where this journey takes me. Okay, so next up, my first attempt. Let's check out my upcoming videos where I'll be sharing my crochet works. All right, so I'm just going to leave you to continue watching all of the other crochet items that I got in my first supplies, and see you in my next video. Take care.